Welcome back to Scotty's Fishing Life. Tips and tricks for every species of fish. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you can go out and catch your next species of fish. And look for my special tip in this video. And tune into my other YouTube channel, The Hook and the Cook, with my good mate, Paul Breheny. Northern pike are a species of fish I'd love to catch one day, and they're definitely on the bucket list. The northern pike is a species of carnivore fish feeding on live prey. They are typically found in brackish and freshwater areas of the Northern Hemisphere, these areas here coloured in blue. They are simply known as pike in Britain, Ireland and most of Eastern Europe, Canada and the United States. Pike can grow relatively large in size with an average length of 40 to 55 centimetres. With a maximum recorded length of 150 centimetres being caught, and that fish weighed 28.4 kilo. That is a cracking fish for a freshwater species. Using live baits for northern pike works really well. Any small live bait will do, as northern pike aren't fussy and will take a wide range of artificial lures and cut baits and live baits. But most anglers report in saying they get better results on artificial lures than they do baits. Northern pike are a fairly aggressive predator, so if I was heading over there to target them, I'd definitely have this selection of lures in my kit. So I've got some trolling lures. These are the Halco. I find these work really well in Australia for tailor, salmon, kingfish and bonito, so I'm sure dragging these around the freshwater lakes would definitely catch pike. Some little surface lures, as I know pike respond well to surface lures at certain times. A range of soft plastics also could work well, especially in deeper water, as you're going to get them right down to the bottom. And definitely a selection of metal lures for casting and spinning in various sizes. So that's the sort of kit that I'd put together if I was heading over to target northern pike. If I was looking at rod and reel combo to take with me, I'll be taking a 3 to 6 kilo and a 5 to 8 kilo. One slightly lighter for spinning and casting from the shoreline, and for your trolling with these larger lures, I'd be trolling them around on that 5 to 8 kilo. So I could have two rods set up, one for trolling around the lakes, and then another one matched up with a metal lure for casting. And I think that'll work really well. What fish species will it be next week? Please tune in and don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys got a favourite fish you'd like to see, please let me know. Cheers.